Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video, we're going to show you how to easily resume watching from where you left off in YouTube TV. YouTube TV is designed to keep track of your progress on shows and movies, making it convenient to pick up exactly where you stopped. Let's learn how to do it. YouTube TV automatically saves your playback position for most content you watch, including live TV within a certain time frame, on-demand videos, and recorded programs from your library. To resume watching something you started previously, simply go to the content you were watching. There are a few places you might find it. On the YouTube TV home screen, there is often a section dedicated to continue watching or resume watching. This section displays programs you've recently started but haven't finished. Look for the title of the show or movie you want to resume here. When you select the title from the continue watching section, it should automatically resume playback from the point where you stopped watching. Alternatively, you can navigate back to the program through the live guide, the library, or by searching for it. If you go to the show's details page, for example, from your library or by searching, YouTube TV will typically indicate that you've already started watching it and will give you an option to resume or continue watching from where you left off, in addition to options to watch from the beginning. Select the resume option. This feature works across devices as long as you are signed into the same YouTube TV account. So you can start watching on your smart TV and resume on your mobile phone later, or vice versa. YouTube TV keeps your playback progress synced to your account. Keep in mind that for live TV, the ability to resume from where you left off is limited by the availability of the program to be rewound. You can usually rewind live TV to the beginning of the broadcast, but your exact position within the live broadcast might not be saved indefinitely like a recorded program. However, for recordings and on-demand content, the resume feature is quite reliable. We hope this video helped you learn how to easily resume watching from where you left off in YouTube TV. If you found this tutorial useful, please give the video a like and consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful tips and guides.